both speak English really, really well. Is it something that y'all have to take English when you were in school, or?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think now, I don't know when we started, maybe the fourth grade. Yeah, and now they teach us from second grade because we are such a small country, so we needed to get by.
Well, you speak very, very well.
Thank you.
Absolutely. My Danish is terrible. It's literally zero.
Yeah, okay. Want to teach anything?
Hey, Grok. All right. Every time I say something in English, I want you to repeat it in Danish. And every time my friend says something in Danish, I want you to repeat it in English.
Got it. Sounds good. I'm ready when you are.
Hello, welcome to America. Thank you for being in my Tesla, and I hope you enjoy Tesla Full Self-Driving today.
Hey, velkommen til Amerika. Tak for at være i min Tesla, og jeg håber du nød Tesla Full Self-Driving i dag.
Tak for venligheden, og ja, det er vores første gang, vi prøver det, så det er mega fedt.
Thanks for the kindness, and yes, it's our first time trying it. So
That's awesome. It was so nice to meet y'all as well.
det er fantastisk. Det var også så rart at møde jer alle.
Godt at møde dig også, og mange tak for turen.
Nice to meet you too, and thanks a lot for the ride.
Absolutely.
Absolute.
That's fine.